Welcome to Azure Architect AZ305 Certification Sample Question Series. Question number 12. We need to build a solution that records any new users gets created or any new role assignments in Azure Active Directory. This information we want to capture and store it into the Azure Cosmos DB. We need to go through the below Azure services and identify which are the two options will help us in taking the Azure Active Directory audit logs into the Azure Cosmos DB. Let's go through the options. First one is Azure Event Grid. It helps in routing the discrete events between the Azure services. Great for lightweight notifications, but not ideal for streaming large amount of audit logs. This is not a correct answer. Next one is Azure Event Hubs. It handles high volume event ingestion and streaming. It is our best choice to capture and stream the logs of Azure AD audit logs. This is the correct answer. Next one is Azure Functions. It helps in executing the serverless code to process and transform the incoming events and then helping in writing the change feed data into the Azure Cosmos DB. This is the correct answer. Next one is Azure Monitor Logs. It helps in collecting the telemetry and performance data, but not audit or identity related events. This is not a correct answer. Next one is Azure Notification Hub. It helps in sending the push notifications to mobile devices, but it will not help us in ingestion or streaming the large amount of audit logs. This is not a correct answer. Please find this reference diagram to understand the flow of Azure Active Directory audit logs to the writing the data into the Azure Cosmos DB using Azure Event Hubs and Azure Function Apps. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching.